Hey, it's Chris, and maybe you are thinking about moving your Peloton bike, or you're someone who's thinking about buying one. So you're probably curious, how hard is it to move this thing? Let's find out in today's video. So whenever you're ready to start moving your bike, the first thing you need to do, and you definitely don't want to forget it. When I have moved my bike before, I have forgot them, and that is take off any weights you may have on the bike, because they will come falling down towards you if you forget to take them off. So the next thing you want to do is unplug your bike right here. The cable, the AC adapter here, so just unplug that, set it aside, and kind of get it out of the way here. So now you're ready to start moving the bike. So what you're gonna do here, here's the arm that the tablet is mounted to, and you're gonna pull down on that, and then the bike is gonna rotate up, and now it's gonna be resting on the wheels. So this is a lot like moving something with a dolly. So once you get it kind of balanced, it is very easy here to, there it is balanced, to hold the bike up. Very easy, back and forth, roll it around. It is a little difficult if you're on carpet, because these are basically what used to be rollerblade wheels. But you can push it, it is not, or pull it, it is not too crazy. So very easy to move when it comes to that. And then when you're done, it is simply a case of getting it where you want, slowly lowering it down. I use the handlebars when it comes to moving the bike. Oops, too close, so I will roll it back a little bit. And down it goes. And just like a dolly, as you get toward the end, it starts getting heavier, 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 and right in there is where it's the heaviest. And then down it goes. So the next thing you could have to encounter would be taking this upstairs. So this bike is 149 pounds. So for someone like me, I would not feel comfortable trying to get this upstairs. You're gonna need a second person. But two full-grown adults should be able to lift a 149-pound bike up a set of stairs. So let's kind of see how much this thing weighs here. I'm gonna try to give it a try. I'm about 200 pounds. Let's see, and it's kind of, sometimes it's not the weight is the problem, it's how awkward this is, like to grab onto by yourself. If you have two people, then of course you could have one person, on this end, and then you'd have another person on the other end, and you'd be able to get it up a set of stairs. So that's how you move the Peloton bike. It's honestly not a bad thing for one person to do when you're on the same floor and you're not trying to take up a set of stairs. If you are trying to take it up a set of stairs, then you're gonna need a second full-grown adult to move this 149-pound bike. So if this video was useful to you, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you wanna see more Peloton videos like this, then please hit subscribe. And if you have questions or comments about what it's like to move the Peloton bike or any Peloton bike questions in general, hit me up down in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.